Good day, sunshine. It is DJ Barbecue with the Unbelievable Alt. Today, we're doing next level fajitas, one of my go-to dishes. Our ingredients, the Unbelievable Alt tender beefless pieces. Then we got our peppers, onions. I'm doing traffic light peppers there. Mushrooms, got some sour cream to finish it all off. And of course, you got to have your pico de gallo, which is red onions, tomatoes, coriander, and lime juice. 30 minutes, you can prep, cook, and serve a delicious meal for friends, family, and your good self. Now, we have a new addition to the crew. Haven't named him yet. Hank's got a friend who was a Christmas present. This has got our vegetable oil. So if you guys want to comment below, we need a name for this bad boy, this cat. Okay, so here we go. A little bit of vegetable oil in the pan. You need your fats to get things rocking. Cool. All right, now let's start softening up our veg, and then we're gonna throw in the Unbelievable Alt tender beefless pieces. Our onions. Then we've got our peppers. We're gonna do a traffic light. I like to cook rainbows of food. You guys get in there. And then I throw my mushrooms. It's like a little clock of veggies before I bring in the Unbelievable Alt. So let's give them a little cook. The guest of honor at our fajita party, the Unbelievable Alt tender beefless pieces. It's time to throw it in the pan. Woo! This needs about 8 to 10 minutes. You just want to get some color on there, and then you're good to go. Needs about 8 to 10 minutes. And that goes in there. Don't move it around too much because I want to get that sear, I want to get that char, I want to get that color. And then we're going to bring flavor to this bad boy. So in this rub, we're talking a tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of pepper, onion granules, garlic granules, and then you want to add some heat. So some cayenne, chili pepper, maybe add a little bit of paprika, and then a teaspoon of brown sugar. That is my rub. It's also my El Mariachi rub, little plug. So we're gonna throw all that lovely, savory, spicy goodness to the mix. Oh my gosh, it smells insane already. Whew. A little bit of heat coming off. So now we're gonna start turning it because we got some colors on the bottom. Oh yeah. See the color I got rocking on there? Ooh, that chili hit the back of my throat. Oh my gosh. And these guys are rocking. Everything's getting the color, the flavor. You know what? I'm gonna add a bit more seasoning to the mix. Take these to Flavor Town. And we're almost good to go. So I keep everything like a clock. So the vegetables on this side, the Unbelievable Alt tender beefless pieces on this side. Whew, the chili's starting to get in my eye. Goodness gracious sakes alive. And that way I get the right color on our food and the right flavor. Whew. It's almost time to serve. The vegetables are nice and soft. They're getting some lovely color. Our Unbelievable Alt tender beefless pieces got that sear. Now we're gonna bring that party together. This all goes in a toasted tortilla. Some pico, you can throw some guac in there. I'm gonna rock some sour cream and then some hot sauce. Oh my gosh, there we go. Simple, easy, awesome tasting food. Are we ready to eat? Yeah? Okay, well, let's toast our tortillas. You can go big, you can go small, it depends on how much you wanna eat. I try to go like kind of medium size, that way I can have like 3 and I don't feel guilty. And then I have to take a power nap. All right. Woo. Little toast, got some color rocking. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Oh, look at those lovely colors. Those peppers, they smell insane. And with our little spicy rub, these are gonna go down a treat. My kids are gonna love this. All right. Boom. Come on, buddy. Oh, look at these guys. All right, now it's just time to build. Just throw in your veg. You can do like the kind of roll, or you can do a burrito wrap. Any way you want. I keep it easy. Come in close. So I get even distribution. Just gonna throw on some sour cream. And then that lovely pico de gallo. Tomatoes, coriander, red onions, lime juice. Oh, and red onion. It's that simple. And then you can just roll. And I sometimes do a little fold at the bottom, and then I munch. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. Man, that's good. I'm so happy to be eating this food. It tastes so good. And also, I got hit with some chilies.